Mornings YouTube. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can make your first $500 with this mobile app. All you need is simply your mobile device. So what I really like about this, it's available worldwide, accepted in India, United States, Philippines, South Africa, and every other country that you can think of. It's both available for iOS and Android, so you can use both devices. And it's not going to be one of those apps that only pay like 10 cents every day or something silly like that. And if you follow each and every step that I'm going to show you in this video, you can keep making hundreds of dollars online with this mobile app. But of course, if you skip or don't follow all these steps that I'm going to show you, you'll obviously miss crucial parts and might not succeed at this. And this can become a great stream of income. Before I jump into my PC and my mobile phone to show you this application, don't forget to subscribe down below with the bell on, because I'm posting on the daily regular tips and tricks and business models on how to make money online. So if you want to get the latest ways in today's world in 2020 on how to make money online, make sure to go put the bell on so that I can send you a personal message every time I do that. Alright, so in the first application that we're going to be needing is Instagram, but don't worry, this is really going to be different. This is not going to be affiliate marketing or going to buy shout outs or anything like that. This is really going to be much different and a lot more unique. So all you need to do is sign up on Instagram unless you have an account already. Follow as many people as you can. You can see you can follow these people over here. Just follow them and then come over to this website over here and you are going to see the income rolling in. And I'm going to explain to you step by step on exactly how this works and exactly how you can replicate this and do this yourself. So step number one is that you need to create a new Instagram account. Now I'm going to be doing this on my PC simply because it's much easier for me to record this video for you guys and illustrate exactly how this works. So all you're going to do is you can actually do this on a mobile device such as Apple or Android. Instagram is accepted on any platform, but I need to log in with my Instagram account. And step number two is you need to pick a specific niche. Now that doesn't really matter. So for example, I'm going to be using this to camping theme pages over here. Now it doesn't matter what niche you choose simply because we're not going to be promoting or selling anything. So what you must do is create your page, change it to the name or a name obviously related to your niche. By simply, if you need help with that, you can just go to Google and type in business name generator. For example, let's go here and I'm going to come to businessnamegenerator.com. Let's open this in a new tab and we're going to put a keyword, for example, camping. Let's just put camping if we're going to choose the camping niche. Just as a silly example, you can see here like camping expedition, camping capture, quite a nice Instagram page name, camping form, camping air, camping glacier, camping seed, camping zoid, camping volcano. So this is just a great website to get some Instagram page name ideas, obviously related to the niche that you have chosen. So obviously if it's something like holiday, you're going to put in, for example, holiday or vacation. Let's just put holiday. Yeah, you can see fauna holiday, altitude holiday, domino holiday, trip holiday, amplify holiday. These are all more just Instagram name ideas that you can use, for example, a vacation niche. And that will be it for step number two. So far I hope you're keeping up with me so that you are able to take action with this and so far create your account and also come up with an Instagram page name related to your niche. And it's super important that you follow these first two steps, because now we're going to head over to step number three. And step number three is really simple. All you're going to do is come over back to the search bar on Instagram and you're going to search for other pages in your niche. So for example, if it's camping. If you're into sport, you can go search sport pages. If you're even more specific in a sport such as soccer, rugby, cricket, you name it. If you're into education, you can go look for an academics theme page. If you're into vacation, you can go look for like beaches and mansions and houses and different property pages that you could have on your page. And that's really simple because there always will be other pages in your niche. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in, for example, camping. And we can scroll over here, for example, woke camping, camping in nature, outdoor survival gear, the camping page, camping hotties, but these three will be fine. So here you can see other pages also in the camping niche, these guys as well, also in the camping niche, and these guys as well. So in this video, for the purposes of this example, I'm going to stick with the camping niche. And that's all that is for step number three. Really easy, go find other pages in your niche. And this is going to lead to step number four. So far, I still hope you've been keeping up with me and have completed the three previous steps. So step number four is to leave these different pages that you've got. If you're on your PC or phone, you can do one page at a time. If you're on a PC, you can actually open up these pages in separate tabs. All you want to do is choose some of these posts. I would say choose the posts that are getting more likes than than the others. You can kind of get an average. So here you can see like 2,000, 1,900, 3,600. So this one over here is pretty good. It's got a little bit more likes than the others. If I scroll down a little bit more to some of the older posts, you can see 3,000 likes, 4,000 likes. So these are perhaps two good posts. Let's choose this one with 4,000 likes. That's quite a lot. So all you want to do is click on this post. You want to copy this link over here on the browser. You can see here each post has its unique link, or you can click on these three dots and click on copy link over here. Then come over to downloadgram.com where you can download Instagram posts. So what you want to do is download about 4 to 5 of these posts until you have them on your PC or your phone. So you can see here, download image, and as you can see, I now have this post on my PC or my mobile phone if you're on your phone. Downloadgram is free to use. You don't need to sign up. You can just come to the website, paste the link, and click on download. As simple as that. And that's going to lead us to the next step. But before we do that, make sure to leave a like on this video. I would really appreciate that if you could go down below and smash that like button. It really helps my videos out so I can see if you guys are enjoying these kind of videos and if I should make more of these mobile app videos instead of the usual ClickBank and affiliate marketing videos that I make. And the next step is very simple. All you're going to do is re-upload these posts that you have downloaded. So if you're on your mobile app, you can see here on the right of my screen, this is what the mobile app looks like. I'm sure as you know, there's a big plus sign at the bottom of this app. Click on this plus sign here and your picture that you've downloaded, if it's the latest on your device, you can see that it'll pop up here. Otherwise, you can just choose the post from your gallery. Then you can click on next over here. You can choose any filters that you like. I just like the original filters because you want to keep the picture original. Over here, we can add any tags. You don't want to add any tags, just click on the tick. And all you're going to do is you want to make sure that you credit the original page. So you can go credit to, for example, you can click the @ sign, and this page over here you can click on if it was their page, outdoor survival guide. Just copy their username, come back to the Instagram app, and you want to paste their username. And if you want, what you can also do if you'd like to, and what I also recommend is use this app called #expert, which you're going to generate viral hashtags. All you're going to do is, as you can see on the screen, you're going to enter a keyword. For example, camping. It's then going to generate about 30 hashtags for you related to camping that is getting a lot of views, likes, and attention on the explore page of Instagram. Literally in that second that you click generate, you can then copy those hashtags, come back to your post on Instagram, paste those hashtags so this post might get a lot more engagement and attention on the explore page of Instagram. And once your post has been posted, for example, like these over here, what you want to do is, this is the next step, you want to come back to the search bar on Instagram and you want to search more pages in your niche. So for example, this camping page over here, survival culture could be another example. Let's open them up in a new tab. You can see, let's click on their followers. This is the next step, and you want to go and follow all of these people that they are following. You don't have to follow every single follower, but just follow as many as you can. And this is where the magic happens, because this is how you're going to really make your money with this other website that I'm going to show you. And since these followers are already proven to be interested in the camping niche, because they're obviously following other pages in the camping niche, this is great for your page because a lot of these followers will follow you when they see your content is in a similar niche. And I recommend that you do this until you have about anywhere between 1,000 and 3,000 followers, which all you need to do is just follow all these people. And one thing you must also keep in mind, if you follow 1,000 people in the first 10 minutes, Instagram might pick that up and they could block you for a few minutes for that. So sometimes you will just have to be a little bit patient and follow maybe, I would say, 50 people to 100 people an hour, so that it doesn't look suspicious on Instagram side and that you're not just spam following everybody. And without further ado, let's hop into the 7th and the final step of this video, which is the most crucial part. And the website that is actually going to make you money is called Fameswap.com. And this is an Instagram and YouTube marketplace where you can go and buy Instagram accounts and YouTube channels, but obviously in this case we're not interested in YouTube channels. So this website is free to use. You do need to create an account, you don't need to pay anything, it's all for free. So all you're going to need is, if I click on the register page, your username, email, password, your phone number, your address, and the country that you're in. You can then sign in, come over to the Browse tab. So for example, here are a few pages with a following of 240,000 audience going at $4,200. Okay, that's a bit extravagant because they have a big following audience. But here's a page with 5.5k followers selling at $100. If I scroll down some more, here's another page with 4.3k going at $100. Here's another page at 5k, $600, 5k, 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 anywhere between $100 and $300 to $400, I would say, for pages going for 4 to 5k followers. So if you had to work this out, let's say a page had, for example, an audience of 1 to 3k followers, the price would be anywhere between $50 and $150. And it can literally take you a few hours to build this kind of account and make money like this with an easy account where you've posted content, you've grown an audience without content that you've even made yourself, which makes this really easy and fast to do. And you can literally make $130. This guy even selling at $600, which is a lot more than the usual, so I don't think that will do so well. But $200, $250. So let's say mostly you could make $100 a day just using your mobile phone, using Instagram pages and Fameswap by taking a few hours out of the day, growing a page with a bit of an audience between 1 and 3k and selling them on a website like Fameswap. There's also many other platforms where you can go and sell Instagram accounts, such as socialtrader.com is another good example, but my favorite is Fameswap. So how exactly do you sell your Instagram page on this Fameswap? All you're going to do is at the top, you're going to click on plus sell, where you can go and sell your account. You're going to go add a new listing for free over here. You're going to click add a new Instagram listing. And over here, you're going to enter the Instagram username. So what you're going to do is, and make sure to set your account public. Let's for example, copy this Instagram username, camping and nature, come back to the Fameswap here, add your username, click on I'm not a robot, you then click on find, and you're then going to enter basic information such as Instagram information, the niche it's in, the account engagement, and seller information, which is your details, your email, and then how you can transfer the account to the seller who buys the account from you. So I honestly think this is one of the easiest ways to make money online with your mobile device, is flipping Instagram pages just with the steps that I have taught you in this video. But if you want to learn more about making money online, on the screen over here somewhere, I'm going to have a little playlist for you guys called Drop Servicing, which is all about selling high income skills without doing the work yourself. That consists of coding, web development, things such as mobile application development, applications, services and skills that people pay thousands of dollars for, and you can do this work without doing yourself. And in this playlist, it's all free content on YouTube. It'll give you an idea on how you can get started with this and sell these kind of services online. So without further ado, you're welcome to go and check this playlist out. But if you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate a like. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.